Let us discuss in alkaline medium by oxidation number method. MnO4 minus plus I minus is gives rise to alkaline medium, that is basic medium, OH minus MnO2 plus I2. We know balancing of redox reaction in acidic medium and basic medium almost same, but only one step, that is balancing of hydrogens, is different. Okay, see here manganese oxidation state plus 7, here manganese oxidation state plus 4, here iodine minus 1, here iodine 0. So change in oxidation state plus 7 to plus 4, 3, that means 3 electrons involved. Change in oxidation state minus 1 to 0, 1, so 1 electron involved. Cross multiplication, 1 MnO4 minus plus 3 I minus is gives rise to MnO2 plus I2. Other than O, H, remaining atoms is balanced. 1 manganese, 3 iodines, but here 2 iodines. To balance iodine, here coefficient 3 by 2. See, 3 by 2 into 2, that is 3. Okay, balanced. Iodine is also balanced. 3 2s are 6, 6 by 2, 3 iodines balanced. Next, balance oxygen atoms, 4 2, so 2 water molecules required on right hand side. Next one, balance hydrogens. This is different from acid medium. See, while balancing hydrogens in alkaline medium, hydrogen deficient side add water molecules, opposite side add OH minus, already we discussed. So right hand side 4 hydrogens, left hand side no hydrogens, that's why you add 4 water molecules on left hand side and add 4 OH minus on right hand side, opposite side. Got it? And rewrite the equation. Left hand side 4 water molecules, right hand side 2 water molecules. Okay, so 2 water molecules cancel, and finally 2H2O plus MnO4 minus plus 3I minus is gives rise to MnO2 plus 3 by 2 I2 plus 2 water molecules already cancel. Left hand side 4, right hand side 2 water molecules cancel, then no water molecules, 4 OH minus. Here we are getting fraction, no? 3 by 2 I2 fraction. If you want to convert that fraction into simple whole number, then you multiply with suitable number. So what is the suitable number here? 2. Then multiply with 2. Then finally you will get 4H2O, 2 MnO4 minus plus 6I minus is gives rise to 2 MnO2 plus 2 cancel, 3I2 plus 8 OH minus. So this is the final balanced equation in basic medium. Acidic medium, basic medium, all steps balancing of redox reaction in acidic medium and basic medium almost same, but only one step different, that is balancing of hydrogen atoms. While balancing hydrogens in alkaline medium, add water molecules on hydrogen deficient side and opposite side add OH minus. Okay, next let us discuss one more example. P4 is gives rise to PH3 plus H2PO2 minus in basic medium. See this, here phosphorus oxidation state 0, here phosphorus oxidation state minus 3, in this one phosphorus oxidation state plus 1. Okay, you know this is what type of reaction? Yes, disproportion reaction. Same element undergo oxidation and reduction, 0 to plus 1 oxidation, 0 to minus 3 oxidation. So in this one phosphorus undergo oxidation and reduction. Here I am writing 2 times P4 plus P4, PH3 plus H2PO2 minus. So here phosphorus oxidation state plus 1, here phosphorus oxidation state minus 3, here 0, 0. Let's consider this one to this one, 0 to -3. First phosphorus P4 to PH3, second P4 to H2PO2 minus. Okay, same substance, undergo oxidation and reduction. So 0 to -3. So how many electrons involved? 3 electrons involved, but here 4. So 3 into 4, 12 electrons. 12 electrons. Here 0 to +1, 1 electron involved, but 4 phosphorus, so 4, that is equal to 4. Total 4 electrons involved. 12 is to 4. What is the simplest ratio? 3 is to 1. Now cross multiply. This is cross multiplication. Okay, 1p4 plus 3p4 is gives rise to pH3, as it is you write pH3 plus H2PO2 minus. But here remember one thing, the first P4 related to pH3, second P4 related to H2PO2 minus. So first P4, 4 phosphorus, here 1 phosphorus, that's why here 4, because first P4 related to first pH3 and second P4 related to H2PO2 minus. Here how many phosphorus? 12, that's why here 12 phosphorus. Got it? Now balance oxidants. 12 2s are 24. Here no oxidants, that's why you add 24H2. Next one, balance hydrogens. 48 hydrogens. Left hand side 48, right hand side 12 plus 24, 36. So left hand side 48, right hand side 36. That means right hand side 12 hydrogens deficient. That's why you add 12H2O on right hand side and add opposite side 12OH minus. 48 hydrogens left hand side, 12 plus 24, 36 hydrogens right hand side. That's why 12 hydrogens deficient right hand side. This is the basic medium. That's why hydrogen deficient side add water molecules, opposite side add water OH minus. Got it? Next one. See, rewrite the equation. 1p4 plus 3p4, total 4p4 plus 12OH minus. Left hand side 24H2O, right hand side 12H2O. That means 12H2O cancel. That's why remaining 12H2O is gives rise to 4pH3 plus 12H2PO2 minus. 12H2PO2 minus. This is the balanced chemical equation. Got it? So while solving disproportion reactions, you go with this. Okay na? While solving disproportion reaction, you can do like this. 2 times you can write same substance, 2 times you can write. One undergo oxidation, another one undergo reduction. Okay na? Now cross multiplication, as we discussed before. Okay, see here again, this one also simplify again, because 4 is common in all the substance. So divide by 4, then 1p4, 3OH minus, here 3H2O, 1pH3, 3H2PO2 minus. Got it? So this is the balancing of redox reaction in alkaline medium by oxidation number method. Got it? So in the next class, we'll discuss some objective questions based on redox reactions. Okay, thank you.